Today's STEM challenge, can you push a straw through a potato? I know, crazy. The answer is usually no. See, watch this. You just do this as much as you can. You can't put a straw through a potato because the straw is flimsy. It just collapses. Unless you use some science. You use what's inside that straw. That's right, it's the air. So watch this. Take a straw and you put your thumb over the end of the straw. You just have to believe it's going to do work. The thumb over the end of the straw, hold on to it like this, and now, careful, hold on to the potato, and now straight down, the air will give the straw rigidity and support. Look at that. You can use these straw through the potato. Now, imagine what would happen if you just had a bigger straw. Yeah, like this. Like, I don't know, you're going to find at the hardware store, piece of PVC, and you carve out a piece of potato, and then you take the plunger, and you plunge down like this. You can make your own out of PVC and a dowel rod. Perfect. And now we need another piece of potato. Look at this. As you push on this, you're going to squeeze the air, fire this out. Let's go outside and see if it works. So the object here is to put the plunger inside. As you increase the pressure, you decrease the volume, and you send the potato to Norm's yard. Watch out, Norm! Bam! See how much fun it is? It's always fun to have a science guy as your neighbor. Huh! I'm Steve Spangler, and that's your Science Minute. Watch out, Norm! Ooh, better go.